everyone, Nancy with Cooking Dairy Free and Alpha-Gall with Nancy. So thank you for coming to the channel. Here we're going to talk about how we cook here at home dairy free because of my granddaughter Anastasia and because I have Alpha-Gall. I cook a lot differently than most people and everything. Turkey and chicken mostly. Sometimes we have shrimp. It just depends. But mostly that's what I cook with. And then, we'll show you how to make some of your favorite dishes so that you can still have those favorite things. Baking, cooking, sometimes grilling out there on the grill, and then, a lot of time in the kitchen. Homemade breads, pizza, your main dishes and different desserts and everything and sides, because some people don't like onions, some people love onions. There'll be a variety of different ways that we're going to show y'all how to eat things, how we cook. It's just the cheeses and the food products that we use. I'll be showing that also. So, but we want to have fun and y'all get to know us and everything. This is kind of a spin-off, kind of like, like TV shows. You have a spin-off from the main show. This is a spin-off from Our Treasure Home. I decided to sit there and take my food videos, well, not my food videos, to start another channel just cooking all by itself, geared to people who have food allergies, because Anastasia has a food allergy. That's dairy. We don't think she'll ever outgrow it. And then people who get contacted different things through animal bites, ticks and stuff like that. And we just eat differently. So, I still have a bunch of cookbooks I want to go through and make those meals and just make them better, make them different, and show that you can still have those favorite things, whether you have a peanut allergy or soy allergy, dairy, eggs. There'll be some egg-free recipes coming also. So come along, join us in the kitchen and have some fun and enjoy a good meal. We'll see you later on Cooking Dairy Free and Alpha-Gall with Nancy.